We just got all set up, and this is what we're looking at. And thunder and lightning. It's gonna start pouring out. And we're still filming.
Oh yeah, setting everything up.
What'd you do?
It didn't pick up a bullet.
Oh god. You're way down to the left.
How many hit?
Looks like all of them. Looks like they're all pretty much in the same spot.
So down.
So you gotta go up.
Well, they were down to the left.
Yeah.
How much up do you think?
Did you go up or down?
I went up.
Because you're hitting the ground.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Christ.
You hit the ground again.
What the?
Yeah, you gotta go up a bunch. Go up like half of what you did just then.
How weird.
Yeah, I just did it slowly.
No. Left one.
Ooh. I can't see where you hit it. I'm gonna take a shot at it.
That's stinky. I didn't see that yet.
You're down on the. You're right by the right to the right of the bottom post. Did you go up?
What, when I changed this?
Did you just change it?
I didn't change it at all.
So I think now you're right.
Just go up more.
No, I think you just got to go left now. I think.
So we're gonna shoot this cast iron pan with 9mm. Probably try 3 to blackout.
And 308.
Yeah, if we can. So
If the lightning doesn't get too close.
yeah. Clearly it's pretty dark. We gotta hurry this up.
The question is, are 9's going to go through it?
Obviously. I think so.
I think 308 is going to shatter it.
Look at that. Smoke that. It's a pretty big hole.
Big hole. Now on to the big guns. I don't know if I recocked this.
Oh, perfect. Go first. Slapped it.
I think you hit the side of it. Oh, that moved it. I'm really not hitting it. Oh, it's downpouring out.
Yeah.
We're sitting in the car, hoping it passes so we can maybe possibly blow something up if the lightning stops.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
If not, we'll be back here next week shooting more stuff. So
lightning. Pretty close.
we'll see you soon.
Oh yeah. An art form. Don't try it at home. That's why we're out here. Shake it up. Shake it up. Ooh-hoo. I don't know if that's how that song goes, but
The rain slowed down a little bit. There's no more lightning. And we're going to blow this up. We had some things we were going to do for 4th of July, but they'll be out after 4th of July because UPS sucks. And I didn't get my package till after we left. So look for that in about a week and go blow some stuff up right now.
with the 308. It's all the way down there on the sand pile furthest to the right. Little orange dot, probably can't see it, but it's there.
Gavin will circle it for you when you
Put
edit.
the video up there. Up here probably. Or make it all here, I don't know. Something. It'll work.
Right there.
Yeah. Up here.
Right there.
Yeah. Somewhere in that area. Like right here, maybe. Yeah.
You see that one?
No. I think that went through it. Kaboom!
I hit it.
There it goes. Go
I
check it
found
out.
how wildly inaccurate I was.
Oh yeah. Oh well. At least you hit it. You're gonna get some good video on the GoPro of that though. That's a decent sized hole too. Oh yeah.
Smells weird.
Got some depth to a.
Oh look, there's the sheriff. That's it for this time. The rain ruined all of our plans.
Semi-ruined.
Mostly ruined.
Yeah.
Like for the most part, it was ruined. So it's time for some burgers.
Oh yeah.
And Plinkin Chefs are 86 till next week.
Good thing.